Hello everyone, this is your Mitsa and I welcome you all in English class. Today's class is all about the gist of the summit within, a very important topic, very important chapter of the book Honeydew. This chapter is a kind of self remembrance, is a kind of autobiography of Major HPS Ahluwalia, and I had made a detailed introductory video of Major HPS Ahluwalia and the introduction of the summit within. If you have not seen that video, then go in the description box, check out the link, watch the video first and then come to this video, because without having any information about this famous personality, you won't be able to digest the gist, the summary of the summit within. Students, I am going to start the gist, the summary of the summit within. I am just telling you that अगर आपको मेरा काम अच्छा लगता है तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियोस लाइक कीजिए एंड शेयर द वीडियोस विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड द डिफरेंट people and follow my channel. Students, gist of the summit within start with the introduction of a Major HPS Ahluwalia. HPS Ahluwalia was a member of one of the first successful Indian expeditions to Mount Everest in 1965. In this lesson, he tells how he felt as he stood on the Everest. जब HPS Ahluwalia, one of the first Indian expedition means climbing on the mountain पे चढ़ना, तो उसके एक्सपीडिशन में माउंटेन्स एक्सपीडिशन में वो किस प्रकार का उनका एक्सपीरियंस रहा, दिस चैप्टर इज ऑल अबाउट दैट. द फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज ऑन एवरेस्ट. स्टैंडिंग ऑन द एवरेस्ट, मेजर Ahluwalia felt very humble. Physically he was very tired, of course. Reaching at the top of the world, पूरी दुनिया की सबसे ऊंचाई पर पहुंचने के बाद, maybe physically it's a tiredness in the body. Instead of being very happy, he was jubilant and sad. He was very sad, he was very humble, and he was not so excited. He was not sure of the reason that behind of that, but he was very deep down, and he was very humble, he was very polite at the peak of Everest. एवरेस्ट की ऊंचाई पर वो बहुत ही हम्बल हो गए थे, बहुत ही डीप डाउन हो गए थे. इवन he was having some tears in his eyes. A lifelong joy. Ahluwalia says that after climbing Everest, he felt a deep sense of joy. This joy was last to the rest of his life, and he also felt a thank to God, because he thought that without the support of God he was not able to conquer this height. उनको लगा कि ये जो हाइट पर आज वो आए हैं उसके पीछे सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक गॉड का ही बड़ा उनके ऊपर हाथ है, and because of that he would be able to conquer this height. Other summit. Ahluwalia had climbed a summit, but he thought of another summit. Summit means, what is the meaning of summit? Summit means to get the victory, जीत हासिल करना, ठीक है, ऑब्स्टेकल्स पर, डिफिकल्टीज पर, ठीक है. And here he had submitted his victory in the height of Everest, as well as the height of internal emotions, अंदर के emotions, obstacles of the life के obstacles means difficulties, and other difficulties of the life and obstacles who are in front of you to stop your path, आपके रास्ते को रोकने के लिए जो खड़े हैं, उस पर इन्होंने जीत हासिल की. और कैसे जीत हासिल की? तो with the help of endurance, persistence and willpower, these three qualities like endurance, persistence and willpower are very important. Endurance means the courage to fight, लड़ने की क्षमता. Persistence means the ability to bear some problem को झेलने की क्षमता. And willpower is the strong determination. And if a person has these three qualities, then he or she can conquer any height at the world. Why Everest? Ahluwalia says that the people ask these questions, that why you have chosen Everest to climb. Then behind of this there are some reasons. Ahluwalia expresses that Everest is the highest peak and the mightiest. Mightiest means the strongest and most difficult peak in the world. It is full of rock and ice. Everest is full of rock and ice both, and it's very difficult to climb on Everest. Of course, climbing on Everest gives the name and fame. Name और fame दोनों मिलता है एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ने के बाद. So he decided to test himself by climbing on Everest. It's not a physical climb alone. Means climbing on Everest is not only a physical climb. Physical means सिर्फ शारीरिक मेहनत ही नहीं है. This is all about the this is all about the mental endurance. मानसिक मजबूती भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. And the spiritual and emotional changes come into the personality when you summit on Everest. Ahluwalia also presented a very friendly comradeship. What is comradeship? Means suppose you are working in some team and you are helping the other teammates. ठीक है. आहलूवालिया जब वहाँ पे एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई कर रहे थे तो ही वॉज इन द टीम ऑफ 4 people. इनके साथ अदर 3 people और थे. I will give you the name. Very famous personalities were there. Some famous climbers were there in the team. And he presented an example of team spirit. He shares his materials like rope, oxygens with other team members, other climber members के साथ उन्होंने अपनी रस्सी को, अपने ऑक्सीजन्स को शेयर किया and helped as much as possible to the other teammates. That's why Ahluwalia presented a very high level of comradeship. ठीक है. यहाँ ये दिया हुआ है कि while climbing on 2 persons have share a rope. उन्होंने rope को share किया. And this is like a gist. I have gone through with the biography of Ahluwalia. HPS Ahluwalia की एक biography है, उसको मैंने पढ़ा है और उसमें उन्होंने क्लियर किया है कि he had also shared the oxygen cylinder with his climber members. तो क्लिम्बर मेंबर्स के साथ उन्होंने जो है वो ऑक्सीजन भी शेयर किया है. एंड दिस इज नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग. कमिंग डाउन एवरेस्ट. एवरेस्ट से जब वो नीचे आ रहे थे ना, बिफोर दैट ही फेल्ट अ डीप सेंस ऑफ जॉय. ठीक है. एंड एट द पीक ऑफ एवरेस्ट ही लेफ्ट अ पिक्चर ऑफ गुरु नानक बिकॉज ही कम्स फ्रॉम द सिख कम्युनिटी. रावत, इनके साथ एक रावत नाम का भी एक क्लिम्बर था. ही लेफ्ट अ पिक्चर ऑफ गॉडेस दुर्गा. फू दौरजी लेफ्ट अ रिलिक ऑफ बुद्धा. बुद्ध, he comes from the Buddhism and Buddhist community, so he left a relic. Relic is a kind of flag of Buddha वहाँ पर छोड़ दिया. एडमंड हिलेरी, yes of course, तेंजिंग शेरपा and एडमंड हिलेरी, the first 2 people who conquered the Everest. एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ने वाला जो फर्स्ट 2 लोग था, तेंजिंग शेरपा एंड एडमंड हिलेरी. एंड वन ऑफ दैट टीम, एडमंड हिलेरी, जो कि इनकी टीम का जो है वो कैप्टन भी थे. तो एडमंड हिलेरी बरीड अ क्रॉस अंडर द क्रेन ऑफ द स्नो. तो बर्फ में वहाँ पर एडमंड हिलेरी ने एक क्रॉस, बिकॉज ही कम्स फ्रॉम द क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी, तो उसने एक क्रॉस जो है, दैट्स अ क्रॉस, क्रॉस आप लोग जानते होंगे लाइक दिस वे, एक क्रॉस को जो है वहाँ पे वो बरी किया, बरी में किया मतलब वहाँ पर खोस दिया. So the experience of being on Everest changes a man. That means all the people who were in the team to climb on Everest, they were thanking God, and they were showing their emotions and the reverence to God. So, students, this chapter is all about to think about the strength and weaknesses. A strength can keep you ahead, and weaknesses can keep you the backward. So each man has within him his own mountain peak. हर इंसान के अंदर एक माउंटेन होता है, माउंटेन ऑफ द माउंटेन ऑफ फियर, mountain of obstacles, mountains of problems, difficulties, and that's an unescapable mountain. Unescalable mountain. Unescalable means उसको नापा नहीं जा सकता है. But if you are determined, if you are focused, that you have to climb on the mountain inside you, then finally you will get a summit ऑफ द माउंटेन. हर किसी के अंदर जो एक डर होता है, एक फियर होता है, वो भी एक तरह का माउंटेन है. लोग उसको पार नहीं कर पाते हैं, और उसके चलते जो है दे कुडंट अचीव समथिंग स्पेशल इन देयर लाइफ. सो फाइनली आई एम एट द एंड ऑफ द पेज. आई एम एट द एंड ऑफ द पेज, एंड आई एम ऑलमोस्ट गिवन यू द all details of the chapter. If you have any doubt, you can message me, and if you are liking my work, then keep subscribing and sharing this video with your friends and other schools students. Till then, have a nice day, enjoy learning, goodbye.